guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be cooking some eggs on the fire. This time I did not forget the spatula. I have it right here. So let's start doing this. Let's throw this right on the fire. I want to leave this in a clear spot today. So let's move this out. Just like that. Alright. Now, once that gets hot enough, we'll throw the butter on. I'll be right back to you guys in a couple seconds. Perfect amount of flames. It's actually going really smooth so far for cooking. Alright, we get some cheese, get some butter. Wait, there's no eggs. There is eggs. Alright. So that's all the ingredients. We got the bread, got some cheese, the butter, got the eggs, ready to go. Now, just time for this cast iron pan to heat up and get hot enough. What you thinking?
As long as they can
honestly,
get some eggs, man,
I think that's perfect. I think that's the best we've had for grilling so far. Oh man. A little bit of butter. Can't not know how butter. Alright. I'm gonna use the spatula. Take a little chunk of it off. Drop that on there.
Woo! That shit is hot.
Let's have a look at the spatula, so you already know.
Yeah, lucky we actually brought the spatula this time. Last time, we're using that saw.
Now, this is what I'm talking about. Woo! Perfect. Perfect. Alright. Okay, I just need someone to shake this up this time, too. Alright. Make the eggshell.
Yeah, not like last video.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Wow, I can't believe chopped it up again.
So this thing is hot. Yo.
The spatula was nice last time.
For real. Look at that. Literally perfect. A second piece of butter.
Let's spread that butter out. Only on this side though.
Look at that, guys. Hey, you know what? I think this pan is definitely way harder than last time, guys. Because the bread is cooking.
It's actually cooking nice. Look at those eggs.
You know what we forgot? We forgot to bring some salt and pepper.
Yeah, I know. That would have been perfect. Gotta rotate them around, I feel like. Oh yeah. The best part about this is we brought plates. So we're gonna both throw it right on a plate, make a sandwich, press it down. If you guys are new to the channel, go down, hit the subscribe button, because Bigfoot will eat you. And I swear.
He will.
He really will though. That's the crazy part. I swear they think I'm joking. Gotta scrape these off.
Look at that. And that perfect bread.
Put the eggs up on there, like a good old handy dandy.
Hey, well, that's a perfect piece of bread right there.
Just like that.
One sandwich down.
Alright guys, so we got butter, we got cheese, and we got bread. I think you know where I'm going with this, but if you don't, grilled cheese. So, to make grilled cheese, we're just gonna peel the cheese open and throw it on, make a cheese sandwich, throw it on the grill. Start it up here so all melts and goes downward. That'd be so awesome if someone comes out here while we're grilling. Don't litter. It's bad. Alright. Just like that. You make a cheese sandwich. Toss that over. Oh no, not like that. Why is there sesame seeds on my cheese sandwich? Throw it on, press it down. You're making grilled cheese on the fire. Alright, now we just wait a couple minutes. Man, this is gonna be great. Alright, you don't want that to sit too long. Just like that. Give the good old flipperoo. Alright, everybody. Definitely nice cooking out on the fire for sure. How you feeling?
Alright, it's busting.
Guys, that's exactly what we want to hear. Got my plate. Now let's check up on this grilled cheese. A little bit of butter in there. Oh yeah, guys, that's perfect. Woo. Perfect. Press that down.
That cheese.
Just like that. Man, this is gonna be great.
How's that first bite?
Gosh.
I'm telling you guys, when you have to work for something, it tastes way more better.
That's so good. Like guys, just look at this cheese pull. That's crazy. Look how drippy that is.
I'm telling you guys, anytime you have to work for making your food, definitely tastes better.
This is so good. I prefer made an egg and cheese sandwich. That would have been a different idea, huh? So basically, we just ate. He ate his egg sandwich. I ate my grilled cheese, which is really bussin'. Now he's gonna try to make an egg on the fire. So yeah, guys, this is him making an egg on the fire. So he's gonna make another egg sandwich. Let's see how it comes out. This is today's video. So if you guys want just a laid back video like this more often, let me know. I mean, I want to make some more entertaining stuff for you guys. So I mean, it probably won't be this all the time, but heck yeah, we're gonna keep with the grilling, camping, hunting, freaking everything, guys.
And since we're only making one more sandwich, at least I am right now, I'm gonna use just a little bit of butter. Still nice and hot, guys. Man, that smoke is really getting to my eyes.
He's inhaled the smoke. Alright, no eggshells. W eggshells. Guys, that yolk looks so weird.
Oh, look at that.
Pop.
I actually haven't cooked.
That was actually a good grilled cheese. You couldn't even really tell it was cooked over a fire. It literally felt like it was cooked over a stove. It's crazy. Eggs are almost coming out better than mine that I made. It's gonna be a W video. What y'all think? Comment down below. If y'all made it this far in the video, comment the word egg. All right, everybody. So now he has the eggs pretty much cooked. So now it's time to throw the bread on. Yeah, throw a nice piece of butter. Wait, gotta do a sizzle check. Can y'all hear that? All right. So next he's gonna be toasting his bread.
Oh, that's actually going pretty good.
If y'all want us to cook a really nice pasta meal out here, we're gonna be doing that soon. We're gonna be coming out here. We're gonna cook a pasta meal with some meat and cheese sauce. Sounds good, right?
That does sound really good. Comment down below if you guys do agree with that.
I think that sounds really good, and I think that would be a nice one to cook over the fire. So if y'all want that, hit that like button. That smells so good.
It does smell really good, guys. I wish I had to be careful. Honestly, that seems pretty good to me.
Looks like a W egg sandwich to me.
Let's get right into it. That's so good when you have to work for it.
Cooking eggs, cooking grilled cheese on the fire, cooking all kinds of food over the fire. Y'all comment down below some foods you want us to cook over the fire. Our next one is probably gonna be the meat, some ground hamburger. Cook that up, throw it together in some macaroni and some cheese sauce. That's gonna be our next meal out here. Honestly, we still got a lot of work to do. We want to clean up this area a little bit. We want to make everything out here like way more clean. We're working on our wall project. This area's coming together. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up the video for today. We cooked on the fire, we started a fire, we had a fire, cooked some grilled cheese, cooked some eggs. Dude, that sounds like a success. W video,
we
W
ate,
cooking.
our stomachs are full, so...
Right, guys. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all go down below, turn on post notifications, hit that subscribe button, and if this video can get to, let's say 10 likes, small goal, I feel like that should be...
I think you guys can do it.
I think they can do it too, but if not, Bigfoot will eat you.
He will.
And he really will. It's true. All right. We're out of here. Oh, you're right there. Okay.
Time to go hike.
Time to hike up the hill. Oh, man. This is a big hill.